Welcome to the world of Supercut Engineering Works, where precision meets performance and every tool gets a second life. In the world of manufacturing, a sharp tool isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. But over time, with constant use, even the best tools begin to wear out. Cuts become rough, accuracy drops, and productivity takes a hit. Most people replace their tools. Smart businesses restore them. That's where Supercut Engineering Works comes in. With over 36 years of experience, we specialize in resharpening and reconditioning HSS and carbide cutting tools, bringing them back to peak performance. Backed by 42 advanced grinding machines across our Mumbai and Vasai facilities, we deliver precision, consistency, and quick turnaround times. Plus, with our pickup and delivery service, the entire process becomes seamless. We handle a wide range of tools, from carbide end mills and ball nose cutters to side and face cutters and shell mills. From gear hobbing and gear shaping cutters to drills, step drills, reamers, taps, and dies, each restored with accurate geometry and cutting efficiency. And when your requirement is unique, we go beyond standard solutions. From helical fluting on carbide tools to engraving tools and custom form tools made exactly as per your drawings, we create solutions tailored to your needs. Our services cater to industries like automotive, plastic molds, woodworking, paper cutting, and precision engineering where performance and accuracy are critical. Every tool that comes to us undergoes a detailed process, including grinding, gashing, edge correction, and profile restoration, ensuring it performs like new. The result? Longer tool life, reduced costs, improved efficiency, and consistent output. That's why over 8,500 clients trust Supercut Engineering Works, not just as a service provider, but as a reliable partner. Because for us, sharpening isn't just a process, it's a commitment to precision.
I am Deepak Patel, founder of Supercut Engineering Works. We understand that your machines are the backbone of your business. At Supercut, our vision is to support you in the best possible way. We are committed to delivering consistent performance, precision workmanship, and dependable service, so your operations run smoothly, efficiently, and without interruption. At Supercut, your productivity is our priority.
Supercut Engineering Works. Sharpening is our business. Get in touch today and give your tools the edge they deserve.